Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a journal that I finished, and this is using a kit by Doreen at OohLaLaVintageTreasures, and this kit is Posh Pink Christmas. And let's take a look at this. Here is the cover. I made this dangle with a cabochon, and the cabochon has one of her pieces in there from her snow globe. Isn't that pretty? And we have rhinestones and pearls on here to give it a little bit of a sparkle. You can see them up there. There we go. And this comes off, it's just on with a bulb pen, so that comes right off if you want to take that off. And then we have our cover and our back, and this is how we open it. We got these pretty little flowers, and I wish I had white, but I didn't have. I only had the cream color, but I think that's fine. And here is the front cover. We have a journaling card and a booklet. Has a few pieces of paper in it, and that was machine sewn in. We have some rhinestones down here, and then we have a pocket with a pretty card. Got some gold accents going on in here. Oops, there's another card, and there's the page. We got some trim going down the side. There's a belly band with some rhinestones and a journaling card. And here we have one of the Polaroids on with a rusted paper clip. And our page has some beadwork there, some applique. And I just thought that was pretty. That just had to go in with the pink paper clip. Here's our train and some trim. And then we have some sparkle, some glitter here. Here's some French book page. Got a flower applique there. And we have just a little fabric flip, all nice pretty pinks. We have a Christmas tree with some glitter on the star. And then we have this little flip up. It ties with this binding there, and you can flip these up. You can put little secret messages on the back of them. Little waterfall effect. There we go. Isn't that cute? Baker's twine, that's what this is. Some pink and white baker's twine holding that in, or holding it closed. So cute. And that's on some vintage music, some hymnal music. We have a side tuck here. Here's a nice page for writing. We have an envelope for you to keep some notes in. The pretty paper clip there, pink heart paper clip. She's so pretty. Come over here, we got a pocket. Isn't this one pretty? And then this tag has another envelope for writing. Pretty trim. Here's a embossed vellum. Coffee dyed paper. some pretty lace. Another applique on the French paper. This is some Spanish paper here. Here's another applique. This one, there's just a little tuck there if you wanted to put something small. And then we have the center, which is the train. And we have a candy cane with the bell and some bells with the bell. This flips open. You can write on there and here and there. There's the back side of the coffee dyed paper and the vellum. And this is a little tuck here. That's fragile paper there. It's tearing out. And here's our back pocket with a tag. And there's plenty of room to add some personals. Oh, almost to the end. Plenty of room here to end this pocket. And I thought that was pretty. Bow up here. Here's a Christmas tree that's paper clipped in, and it's been embossed with pink embossing powder. I'll move the camera closer so I hope you can see better. And back here in our back flip, we have another little folder with another little booklet there. And there we go. This journal is available for sale. You can message me on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, and all of the information is down below for you. Got some different pearls in here. All kinds of goodies in here. Pretty, 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 pretty. All right, well, thank you for joining me. Please hit that like button and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.